Good morning, kids. I'm here today to introduce you to your new rhyme book, Rhyme Time. Alright? And here, make sure you write your name and your section, whether you are from KGA or B or C, D or E. Now, let's see the rhymes that we completed before the summer break. We completed 10 Little Indians and Hop a Little. And today, ma'am is going to teach you a new rhyme. Today's rhyme is Hands on My Hips. It's all about the parts of your body. It's a fun action rhyme and get ready to do it with Nanda ma'am. Alright? Okay kids, now to begin with, hands on your hips. Here, hands on your hips. Alright? Hands on my hips. And what is this here? Point to your head. And what does your head do? It has your brain and it helps you to think. Like Dadi thought of good ideas. Okay? So this is your head thinker. Alright? So let's begin. Hands on your hips. And what is this here? This is my head thinker, my mother dear. Head thinker, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. Head thinker is over. We come to the eyes. What do the eyes do? They blink. So this is your eye blinker. So we start again. Hands on my hips. And what is this here? This is my eye blinker, my mother dear. Eye blinker, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. Head thinker is over. Eye blinker is over. We come to the nose. What does the nose do? It can smell. Alright, all the good smells, the bad smells, everything the nose tells you. So shall we start? Hands on my hips, and what is this here? This is my nose smeller, my mother dear. Nose smeller, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. Head thinker over. Eye blinker over, nose smeller over, and now we come to the tongue taster. Whenever you eat your food, whether it is sweet or sour, or spicy or salty, which part of the body tells you that? Your tongue. Alright? So now we are going to learn about your tongue. Hands on my hips. And what is this here? This is my tongue taster, my mother dear. Tongue taster, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. Head thinker over, eye blinker over, nose smeller over, tongue taster over. Now it is time for your chin chopper. When you eat your food, your mouth chews the food. Okay? So you chop the big pieces to small pieces. So this is your chin and it helps you chop the food down. Alright? So shall we start? Hands on my hips. And what is this here? This is my chin chopper, my mother dear. Chin chopper, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. Head thinker over, eye blinker over, nose smeller over, tongue taster over, chin chopper over. Now it's time for the ears. And what do you do with your ears, children? You listen with your ears. You can hear ma'am, right? You can hear ma'am. Which body part is helping you to hear ma'am's voice? Your ears. So this is your hearer. Alright? So let's begin. Hands on my hips, and what is this here? This is my hearer, my mother dear. Hear, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learnt at my school. Head thinker done, eye blinker done, nose smeller done, tongue taster done, chin chopper done, hearer done. Now we come to the hand. This is your hand worker. You can do lots of work with your hands. You can write, you can play, you can hold your cycle, you can play with your toys, you can help mama, you can do lots of work with your hands. Alright? So let's start. Hands on your hips, and what is this here? This is my hand worker, my mother dear. Hand worker, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learnt at my school. Now, finished with the head thinker, eye blinker, nose smeller, chin chopper, tongue taster, hearer, hand worker. Now we come to stomach. What does the stomach do? When you eat food that mama has made, your food goes down to your stomach for digestion. It holds your food. So it is your food holder. Hands on my hips, and what is this here? This is my food holder, my mother dear. Food holder, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learnt at my school. You finished with head thinker, eye blinker, nose smeller, tongue taster, chin chopper, hearer, hand worker, food holder, and finally we come down to the legs. What do you do with your legs? You can walk, you can run, you can jog. I'm standing on my legs. So, the last part of the rhyme, hands on my hips, and what is this here? This is my leg walker, my mother dear. Leg walker, inky pinky dinky doo. That's what I learned at my school. So that finishes the rhyme, children. And now you can open your rhyme book and ma'am will show you how to write the date. I hope you enjoyed this action rhyme with me. Do it at home, and do remember to send your videos to your teachers. Bye, inky pinky dinky doo. Okay children, we just finished with the new rhyme, hands on my hips, and it's time to write the date in your book, rhyme time. Do remember to write your name and your section. Now let's open the rhyme book. Okay, these were the 2 rhymes that we completed before the summer break. So first thing, we are also going to write the date for these 2 rhymes. And where do we write the date? On the red line. Okay, so here we will write today's date for both the rhymes, children, even though we completed it before the summer break. And the date is 8.7.2020. I hope you're writing 0 properly, children. See, and then complete it. Okay, so we completed the date on one page. Now it is time to write the date on this page too. The date will be the same, today's date, 8.7.2020. 20, 20. Look how ma'am is forming the zero. See? And then complete the circle. Alright? So we completed these two rhymes. And today's new rhyme was hands on my hips. So here to write today's date. 8.7.2020. Okay, that's it. Time to say bye-bye. Take care, kids. See you all very, very soon.